Welcome to our channel. If you want to set up direct deposit with your Chase bank account to receive your paycheck or other payments electronically, follow these step-by-step instructions. Step 1. Log in to your Chase online banking account at chase.com or through the Chase mobile app. Step 2. Navigate to the account where you want to receive direct deposits. Step 3. Look for account details or account information section to find your routing number and account number. Step 4. Your Chase routing number will be 9 digits, and it may vary based on your state. Note both your routing number and full account number. Step 5. Contact your employer's payroll or human resources department to request direct deposit enrollment forms. Step 6. Fill out the direct deposit authorization form provided by your employer with your Chase account information. Step 7. Provide your Chase routing number and account number on the form and specify the amount or percentage of your paycheck to deposit. Step 8. Attach a voided check or direct deposit form from Chase if required by your employer. You can print this from your online banking account. Step 9. Submit the completed form to your employer's payroll department and confirm the start date for direct deposit. Your first deposit may take 1 to 2 pay cycles to process. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.